In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer subtasks from one task to other tasks in Asana. This is a handy skill to master, especially if you're managing dynamic projects where tasks evolve and you need to keep everything organized efficiently. So, let's dive right in and make this process as seamless as possible. Begin by locating and clicking on the task that contains the subtask you wish to transfer. This step is crucial because you need to start by accessing the correct parent task, which contains the subtask you want to move. Once you've clicked on this main task, take a moment to spot the subtask you have in mind. Click on the subtask to open up its details. You should now have the subtask window open in front of you. This window is essential because it contains all the details and options connected to that particular subtask. Now, look towards the top right corner of this detail window. You will see a three dots icon, often referred to as the options or ellipsis menu. Click on that icon to reveal various options. This menu is your gateway to modifying how your subtasks are organized and related to other tasks. From the menu that appears, select the option labeled Convert to. Following this selection, choose Subtask from the next set of options. At this point, you're initiating the actual transfer process. This setting allows you to transform the subtask and reassign its position from one task to another, essentially changing its parent task. Now, you'll see a field where you can type and search for the task to which you want to transfer this subtask. Carefully type in the name of the destination task. You should see suggestions based on what you type. When the correct task appears in the suggestions, select it. And there you have it. Your subtask has now been successfully transferred to the new parent task you selected. This process not only moves the subtask to its new task home, but also ensures that all its details and related information are preserved intact. It's worth remembering that this feature in Asana is incredibly powerful for keeping your workflow organized. Whether you're dealing with minor tasks within a larger project or simply reorganizing due to changes in your project structure, the ability to transfer subtasks will help you maintain clarity and efficiency. As you continue to use Asana and get more comfortable with these functionalities, you'll find that managing project tasks and their subtasks becomes a lot smoother, ultimately enhancing your productivity. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Make sure to give it a try and see how it can streamline your task management process. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep your projects organized.